Vidya Wagh. I remember my first day travelling in the yellow LTI bus, entered through gate number 1. And from then on, there has been no looking back.
I think the last 20 years in this company is almost like, it's home.
Great, exciting 20 years of journey with Infotech.
To make this organization number one organization in the IT space.
I will make everyone happy and ambitious.
In one day, I would make sure that everybody's trained in the role-based training.
I would prefer to have is travel back and forth in time to see if something could have been changed. Do what you enjoy or enjoy what you do.
Always be ready to have fun. Have fun and passion in everything and anything that you do.
LTI is the only IT organization where you have open door culture, wherein you can go with your issues and concerns right to the top management.
It's like this is a place wherein you can really empower yourself.